Hey y'all, check out our newest collection of products. Now, this is great for hair growth. It's great for strengthening and nourishing your natural hair, and it's 100% natural and vegan. Check out the ingredients on our website. This is a part of our new collection. We also have our deep conditioner treatment as well. We got all our ingredients and how to use on the back of the product so that you know what you're getting yourself into. We also have our leave-in conditioner. This is a sample size that I will be using today on this client's hair. We have our scalp massager. You can find these on the website as well. Our detangling brushes, these are also on the website. And our shower caps. You need a shower cap for your deep conditioner treatment. That's a must, absolutely. Then we have our shampoo as well. This is also a sample size. We will be using a sample size shampoo and leave-in conditioner. And hey y'all, today we are doing a tutorial for our new collection, which is our Amla hair serum and our deep conditioner. So today we have a client with some really nappy hair. No, his hair is not nappy. He has some really long hair, and we're gonna be using our newest products on his head, so stay tuned for this.
All right, so first we are taking down these braids gently, of course. He only had a little bit left. He took out the majority of them. I always like to finger detangle a bit before we wash to prevent unnecessary breakage, but I didn't have much time this time, so I'm gonna do a little bit of that while I'm actually washing his hair. Now I'm rinsing his hair. Do you see all the product buildup? It's lifting, and this is why regular washes are essential. Like, if you're not washing your hair as often, the more buildup, the more itchy your hair is. Moral of the story is you should be washing your hair often. If you're doing protective style, as soon as you take that protective style out, make sure you are washing your hair. We're using Shenanigans Hairtique detangling brush to get through all his coils because his hair is really curly. He got that good hair, but it is a lot to manage, as you can see. But this brush right here, it works wonders, and I'm able to glide through his hair. It would be better if I had some leave-in conditioner up here right now, but I want to save that for later. Save all the good product so it can soak in his hair later. Now we are going in with our lavender moisturizing shampoo. This shampoo cleans your hair without stripping it, and it makes your scalp feel so refreshed, okay? Look at the lather that's coming in. I love this handmade shampoo. I prefer the peppermint scent because it be having my eyes open, and I'll be like, ah! You know, it be giving me that kick. It be just hitting all the right spots where my hair is itching, where my hair is dirty. It be hitting the right spots. So I really love this shampoo, and I think you should try it out, okay? And use my code Shawnice, okay? 01. I think that's a code. Another game changer is this scalp massager right here. I love this so much. I use it to stretch my scalp, moisturize my scalp, and also to detangle as well. It feels so good just to rub that on your scalp. Like, your wash day should feel like a luxury experience, like a ultimate self-care day. So I definitely think you should add this scalp massager to your regimen. You know what I'm saying? You can find these scalp massagers at shenaniganshairtique.com. All the products that we are using in this video can be found on our website. Now we are rinsing it all out, and his hair already feels lighter and more manageable. And I feel so relieved because I'm almost done. And I know he does too, because his back, I know, is aching. But this is the only way. I'm washing his hair from home, so we don't really have, you know, like, we got to do what we got to do. But at least it's a luxury that somebody is washing your hair for you versus you washing your own. You know what I'm saying? Here go that deep conditioner I was telling y'all about. Y'all, this deep conditioner got some of everything in it. Hibiscus, aloe vera, rose water, mango butter, shea butter, okay, avocado oil, jojoba oil. This that good stuff. Castor oil. Your hair gonna grow. Your hair gonna be hydrated. Okay, it's gonna be strengthened. The follicles gonna be good. We got your back. That's all I'm trying to say. But yes, this deep conditioner will leave your hair soft and manageable. I'm about to apply it in sections on his hair. The sections might not be perfect because I am not a hairstylist. I'm just your girl that's going to get you right if I got to, okay? It's time to deep condition, and I am applying it section by section to make sure every strand is coated. Then I'm twisting each section to lock in that moisture. And at the end, I will end up putting on a shower cap. But also continue to detangle in the process, because with curly hair, even though you just detangle while you was rinsing it, you're prone to go back and detangle again because the hair is just so thick that it just pushes back together. That's just what it do. But after coating his hair in deep conditioner, I'm going to go in with a shower cap and I'm going to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll let y'all continue to enjoy me detangling and applying and twisting his hair, and then we'll go on with the shower cap method. Finally, we are on our last twist, and after this we will be putting on the shower cap. We're going to let his hair sit for 15 to 20 minutes, because once he takes this shower cap off and the deep conditioner locks in all his hair, it's going to be so soft, juicy, and ready, and the curls are going to be popping, and he's just going to love this, and I'm going to love it too. Like, this product was made for you, okay? Now, this shower cap, you can find this at Shenanigans Hairtique. Yes, I'm going to keep letting y'all know it is reversible. It is satin on the outside, and the shower cap is on the inside, but you can reverse it any way that you want. So if you want to keep your hair dry, of course you will use the satin side, but if you want to lock in that moisture, that's when you're going to use the shower cap side. Okay, and now we're taking out his twists. And do you see it? The curls. That's what I was trying to tell y'all about. Like, you could really use this product as a wash and go product if you really wanted to. You can use this product if you wanted to wear your hair curly and juicy curls. Like, his curls is eaten. The definition is there. The softness is there. Okay? Get into it. I love it. All right, time's up. We're rinsing it out, and listen, his hair feels soft, juicy, and ready to go. Literally. So now I am straining his hair. You see his curls though? They look really, really nice. His hair is soft. One mistake I did make while washing his hair was drying his hair with a towel. We usually do a t-shirt. I'm not sure why we had a towel, but I think I told him to go get his t-shirt or a towel, and he brought back a towel. So I'm gonna have to give him a lecture on that we don't use towels to dry our hair. We use t-shirts, soft material. Now we're going in with this leave-in conditioner. It is a shea butter coconut oil base. It also has almond oil in it, vitamin E, and olive oil. It is so soft and moisturizing as well. I like to use it to do 2-strand twists, and it also smells good too. You can get it in lavender, vanilla, or peppermint, and we use scents and herbs straight from the garden. So with that being said, you know what to expect. Okay, so we're just going in, leaving in some conditioner all over his hair so his hair doesn't get stripped or anything while he starts doing other things like working or being in humid climates. We want to make sure his hair is moisturized. Finally, we are almost to the end, y'all. We're going in with our Amla Infusion Oil. This oil right here is great for strengthening the follicles, hydration. It is not the hydration like the deep conditioner, but when I say hydration, I mean like moisturizing your scalp, leaving it soft and manageable. It complements the deep conditioner, basically. It also gives you a little glow as well. It has pumpkin seed, amla, avocado, castor oil, lang-lang, lavender, all the good stuff. So this is our plant-based hair care collection. I hope you enjoyed it. His hair feels amazing now. He loves it, and now he basically just gotta style it. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today.